everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to get the fresh fruit smoothie. What I got right here, all the fruit. Okay guys, frozen is fresh, vitamins always there, never lose anything. Okay, when they pick up from the farm, brand new pick up, and they put in the refrigerator or freezer right away. It's stored vitamin for long time, guys. Better than the real fresh one because they don't lose anything. Okay, first of all, I got pineapple frozen. Second, I got mango. See that, guys? The third one, I got peach. When you start all over. Pineapple, too much vitamin C. Mango, a lot of calcium, magnesium, vitamin C. Pear, peach, make your skin beautiful. Strawberry is very good. Everything. I got all this $4 right here. Call me only $60, guys. Very cheap. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead show you how to prepare this in the bag. So easy to pick up and make a smoothie every morning. Okay, let's go start it. Okay, this is strawberry, guys. Look at this strawberry. Whole big bag like this. Look at this strawberry. Very clean cut. The frozen ready to eat. Okay, next. Second. Gonna be, look at this. Look at the peach. Ready to eat. Okay, bring that. This is right here, mango. See that? Ready to eat, frozen. How good is that, guy? And number 4, pineapple. Look at this. How good is that? Look at this. Ooh, I can tell you. Look at this pineapple, frozen. And you don't have to do nothing. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to put all together. And what I do, go ahead, open the bag right here. Get it up. They all open. Okay. สิใส่ถุงให้เบิ่งร่วมกันร่วมมิตรของหมักไหม้เฮาสิได้ปั่นนะปั่นสบายโอเค I'm gonna start easy to make a smoothie. Okay guys, just put okay. One Ziploc bag right here, you bring one time, and for 2 people every morning. When you take this one, you're gonna lose weight and you're gonna feel good in your body. And this peach right here, put all together like this. You're feeling good. Okay, strawberry, everything in one. This one ready. Okay, it's ready to make a smoothie. See that? Ready. Got mango, pineapple, peach, strawberry. 4 of them. See that? All of this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead finish all of this, and after that, I show you how to make a smoothie. Okay. Okay, you see, guys, all I prepare, for $60. All of this. How much you can have all the good juice right here, good fruit smoothie. You see that? All of this, a lot. And I still have on and on more to prepare, but next time. Okay, next time. That's for next time. And this for next time too. So many going on, guys. Mango, pineapple, everything in here. Okay. See, after that, put in the bag like this. When you want to eat, make a smoothie, take it out. Just like that. So easy, guys. Very easy. And eat healthy, live healthy, especially coronavirus 19 right here. COVID-19, you eat healthy. It's not easy to come to you, okay? Eat healthy. So I put like this and tie it up and put it in the freezer. Just like that, okay? To the freezer. Okay, everything ready to set, ready to make smoothie. From the bag, take it out from the freezer. Let them melting a little bit. Now let's go drop up in the pot right here. Going to make a smoothie. Healthy smoothie, guys. So easy. just like I show you, just prepare stuff like that. So you ready to smoothie? Take it off. You see that? All the fruit right there. See that? For 2 people, eat this empty stomach before you eat food, okay? And not gonna make you hungry. It's gonna be a happy stomach. Okay, orange juice. Orange juice is the key, okay? Orange juice, this kind, you can use any kind, but this kind not too sweet, like natural. So get this orange juice, no sugar. Please, no sugar, just use orange juice only. No milk, no sugar, okay? Just I'm gonna go ahead put the that's enough. I like my smoothie very tight. So just go half like that. Okay. Now go smoothie. Alright, let's go. This machine right here. Turn on the machine. Hit the smoothie button. One more time. I want smooth. Yep, done. Let's go. Put in the cup and drink. Okay, smoothie ready to go. Alright. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and serve. See how thick is that? Cut this all the fruit, all the 100% fruit, okay guys? It make you feel good, feel healthy, and drink this, don't get hungry, and you can lose weight, and you only eat 1 time a day because they don't make you hungry. Alright. Healthy fruit smoothie, 100% fruit, no mixed sugar, no milk. Okay, there you go. And then the straw get in here. There you have it, guys. How easy is that? Just like I said, go get it, prepare, put in the freezer, Ziploc bag by bag, put in the freezer. Tomorrow coming, you take it out, leave it half hour in the sink because they're frozen. Take it out for half hour and then you blend it just the way I do, because when they're frozen, they're really hard to blend. You don't need no ice because they're already cold. So that's it. That's the way you see right now. Alright guys, try it. You're gonna love it. This is work for you. Alright. Thank you guys. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. I will show you more healthy. You don't have to worry about, oh, I don't want to eat this, want to eat it. Just drink this in the morning and keep your stomach nice and warm and go. You feel good inside out. Then you can eat anything you want. It don't matter. Go ahead, eat beef, chicken, fish, anything you want to eat. Go for it. You know, McDonald's or whatever, but make sure you got good healthy food in your stomach first, okay? Alright guys, you love this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Make me happy to show you more and more, okay? Alright, thank you, bye bye.